I want to point out one feature that I'm really proud of, which would be the fact that everything feels very snappy, because when I'm checking the state of the next LED, and what that does is if it's turned off, the moment I switch on it, it gets turned on. So for example, here now it's turned on, and if I switch up, it will turn off immediately, which makes it very snappy and fast. I find it pretty cool. So if I go right, it turns on, but if I turn it on and then go right, it turns it off, and it's very snappy. You instantly know where you arrived.